If you've ever bought cheap cookware that heats unevenly, warps over time, or loses its non-stick coating after a few months, you know how frustrating it can be. Nobody wants to deal with food sticking to the pan, hot spots that burn dinner, or cookware that needs replacing every year. That's exactly why cast iron remains so popular. And today we're taking a close look at the Asderote 6-piece pre-season cast iron cookware set to see whether it's actually worth adding to your kitchen. This set includes a 5-quart Dutch oven with lid, 2 skillets, a round griddle, a square grill pan, and a versatile cast iron cover. It's designed for home cooks, outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone looking for durable cookware that can handle almost any cooking task. If you're interested, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how solid everything feels. Unlike lightweight cookware that can feel flimsy, each piece has that classic heavy-duty cast iron construction that immediately gives you confidence in its durability. The pre-seasoned surface has a smooth, natural finish, and the cookware has a traditional look that fits equally well in a modern kitchen or around a campfire. The Dutch oven feels especially sturdy, and the self-basting lid design helps keep moisture circulating while cooking. The handles are designed to provide a secure grip, and overall, the set feels like something built to last for years rather than months. What really matters, though, is how it performs in everyday cooking. One of the biggest strengths of cast iron is heat retention, and this set does a great job of maintaining consistent temperatures. Whether you're searing steaks, frying eggs, cooking pancakes on the griddle, baking bread in the Dutch oven, or grilling vegetables, the heat distribution feels even and predictable. Once the cookware gets hot, it stays hot, which helps create better browning and more consistent cooking results. The pre-seasoned surface is another major advantage. Since it's seasoned with natural vegetable oil rather than synthetic coatings, you don't have to worry about peeling non-stick layers or questionable chemicals. With proper use and regular seasoning, the cooking surface actually improves over time. Food release becomes better, and the pans develop that classic cast iron patina many experienced cooks love. In terms of daily usability, there is definitely a learning curve if you're new to cast iron. These pieces are heavier than standard non-stick cookware, and they take a little longer to heat up. However, once they reach temperature, they perform exceptionally well. Cleaning is also straightforward. Most of the time, warm water, a gentle scrub, thorough drying, and a light coat of oil are all that's needed. The stackable design is a nice bonus because it helps save valuable cabinet space. As for the pros, the versatility stands out immediately. You can use these pieces on gas stoves, electric cooktops, grills, ovens, and campfires. The heat retention is excellent. The construction feels durable, and the included variety gives you tools for nearly every cooking style. The natural seasoning and chemical-free cooking surface will also appeal to health-conscious buyers. On the downside, the weight may be challenging for some users, especially when handling the larger pieces. Like all cast iron cookware, it also requires regular maintenance to prevent rust and maintain peak performance. If you're looking for ultra-lightweight cookware or something that can simply be tossed into the dishwasher, this probably isn't the right choice. Compared to other cast iron sets in a similar price range, the Asderote package offers impressive value because you're getting multiple cooking surfaces plus a Dutch oven in one bundle. Some competing brands may have slightly more refined finishing, but they often cost significantly more. For most buyers, the overall value proposition here is hard to ignore. So, who is this set best suited for? If you enjoy home cooking, meal prep, baking, grilling, camping, or simply want cookware that can last for years with proper care, this is a very compelling option. If convenience and lightweight handling are your top priorities, you may prefer traditional non-stick cookware instead. Overall, the Asderote 6-piece cast iron cookware set delivers the durability, versatility, and cooking performance that make cast iron so popular. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen or outdoor cooking setup, definitely check out the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.